Anping COWAN Technology Equipment Company Limited is a professional company in wire mesh machines and wire mesh fences. Our main products including chain link fence machine, welded mesh machine, gabion machine, concertina razor wire machine, barbed wire machine, crimped wire mesh machine, Grassland fence machine, fixed knot fence machine, PVC wire coating machine, and so on. All of the machines will run and produce customer-asked specification products in our factory before sending to our customers to make sure the machine's quality. Moreover, we have 7 days by 10-hour engineer online services to provide after-sales services. Note, here is engineer online rather than sales online. So once customer asks a problem, we can give them solutions right away. Based on the faith of integrity first and superior quality, we have built a long-term business and mutual benefit cooperation with many customers from more than 30 countries. Moreover, we have many tender experiences in different countries and own thousands of good feedback from our clients. We use our sincere heart to service our clients and practice to be ourselves, no matter where is the customer came from and how hard the project is. As a result, we win. We get the trust from our lovely clients, and we get repeat orders. In our deep mind, business is not only business, it is one way to improve our life. So, cooperate with us, enjoy business, enjoy life.